In crowd booths, dark at night, March 2006, a deadly fight. Blood needles gathered, tensions high, arguments sparked, violence high. Shot on Willy's bloodstained floor, like a little Mikey, found no more. Stabbed by friends, fatal blows, water killers dimes, deadly rose. Richard Flint, knife in hand, struck Sandham multiple times to stand. Back in chest, vital targets found. Sudden attack, life slipping down. Shot on Willy's bloodstained floor, like a little Mikey, found no more. Stabbed by friends, fatal blows, water killers dimes, deadly rose. Richard Flint, knife in hand, struck Sandham multiple times to stand. Back in chest, vital targets found. Sudden attack, life slipping down. Shot on Willy's bloodstained floor, like a little Mikey, found no more. Stabbed by friends, fatal blows, water killers dimes, deadly rose. Shattered shadows loom near, killers time's fate, future clear. Convicted of murder's darkest deed, justice sought, but peace not freed. Shotgun Willy's incident remains a grim reminder of deadly games. Violence claimed a life that night, Michael Little, Mikey Sandham's last fight.